Very good evening, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to take a deep look at the ongoing price action of the Nifty. If you observe carefully, from June 2024 onwards, Nifty has been trading within a broad range between 21,719 on the lower side and 26,277 on the higher side. Within this range, we can clearly identify cycles of rotation. That means market is going sideways. On March 2025, the market formed a double bottom around 21,964, which triggered a strong rally all the way up to 25,652 by June 30th, 2025. But from there, once again, Nifty started correcting, and as of today, it is trading around 24,426. This clearly shows us that Nifty is still inside this larger range. And what we are witnessing is nothing but rotational price action. Two full cycles of rotations have already taken place, 1 and 2 has completed, and now the index is moving in the third cycle. An important reference point is the 180-degree placed at 23,950. This is the 180-degree. If Nifty breaks and closes below the August low of 24,337, then the downward move is likely to continue, and this rotation could extend for another 2 months, which means the cycle may only complete by November 2025. Until then, the market will largely remain in its sideways to downward phase. For the immediate short term, the key level to watch is 23,947 on the downside. So in today's video, I am going to analyze this price action in detail, look at the crucial levels step by step, and also understand how these rotations are creating structure inside the larger range. So stay tuned till the end, because these insights will help you prepare for the market's next big move. Here, what I've done is I've considered this. Since the market is going through the range, I've selected an indicator, highest high and lowest low, which is available on the trading view. If you type it, highest high and lowest low, you will get this indicator, Herman Broom. So I have applied this. Just it is plotting highest high and lowest low. So if you see the lowest low, that was around June 2024, you can see, I still remember that was an election day candle. The low was 21,281. This is a long wick engulfing this level. From that, market rallied up to 26,277, and you know the history. Market came down. This is already in the month of April month 2025. 7th April, it made a bottom of 21,768. That is way above this low. 21,281 was the low and 21,768. So it completed one rotation of the cycle, And another rotation, it started rallying over here and it has touched the highest point, 25,262, and then it is started coming down. You can see over here, you saw this 1, 2, 3, 4 months. I mean, from July 2025, it has come down to August 4th, July, August. From June, it was up, and then August, it made a bottom. Now, this is a huge candle. I am on the weekly chart. Huge weekly candle coming to the bottom of this level, August low level. So definitely, after going sideways, maybe 24,595 can act as barrier for the market in the coming week, and then it will start moving down. So immediate resistance, that is 180 degree. I have applied the circle strategy for this, and 180 degree is around 23,924. You can see over here, 23,924. So market after, this is a weekly candle, next week probably in the market may seek the lower level, because it is definitely, it is going to any pull back to 24,595 is the selling opportunity. Market can proceed even down 23,924, and it can come down to 23,523. Then in the month of, it may happen within 2 months, October, and then it may start recovering and it may reclaim the 180 degree 23,924. By that time, 3 rotations will be completed, 3 cycles of rotations will be completed, and market then only it may start its upward journey like this. Trend may start only after the month of November. Most probably next year we are going to see the market moving higher above this level after a huge consolidation from 2024, 2025, and in the year 2026 only we can see breakout of this range towards the upside in the market. Trend may develop in the market in the next year, coming year. We need to see how long it will take, whether it will be another 6 months or to break this range. Probably the market by mid of 2026, it may start breaking above the range. So till then, the market will be within this range. But now at present, it is showing weakness, and it has already fallen below the minus 0.66. 0.26. The angle has turned around. It is trading below the 0.26 of the, you can see that is 24,595. Any pullback to this level is a selling opportunity in the market. Market will not hold this level. Market will not hold 23,347. So it may go sideways, but next week it may start its downward journey. It may break below. So in the September month also, we can see the market going downwards. It may breach below 23,934. First, it may hit the 23,934, and the market price action will be like this only. It is time consuming, and later in the month of November, we can see reversal in the market. Most probably in the month of November. Till then, the market will go downwards. It has started its downward rotation See, you can see upward rotation over here and came down, and again third one, it may come here and it may start. So it may not go downward till this. It may halt around 23,253. We can see this level in the month of September to October. We may see Nifty coming down to 23,252. At present, the market is not going to hold this level. It is going to break below 23,347 and it will continue its downward journey. From here, 23,337 to 23,900, almost 400 points down move we can anticipate immediately in the market. Within this month, September month itself, we can see the lower levels in the market. So friends, this is what is happening in the market is sideways movement in a broader range. It is time consuming because it was an imbalance, total imbalance, it is going sideways. It is a natural process for the market to undergo through sideways movement. It is a time conscious. See, within the if I place the cursor from October 23rd to September 24, within 1 month, it was a huge imbalance. So it is a big bull move. You can see it is a bull move. So it is a consolidation. You can consider it as a flag pattern also in a broader range on the weekly basis. So market is undergoing through correction. It is not going to stop now. So let me change it to daily time frame. If I change it to daily time frame, you can see over here, it is the lowest low. Lowest low, once it starts breaking below, this is the level. That is the 23,950 to 23,000. Let me, if I make it, that will come to 23,924. So this is how it is. So the market is under, this is a cycle undergoing through sideways market. So that's why, and this is the blue color line is the moving average and it is highest high and lowest low. This indicator is taking the highest high and lowest low. Now we are near the lowest low. If it starts breaking below, the next lowest low is placed around 23,924. So you can anticipate very soon 23,924 in the market. So friends, you need to see the broader picture what is happening. So it is a correction from 2024 running up to 2025. Already we are September month, almost year end closing year of the. So 3 cycles have been completed from 2024 to 2025 and 2026. By November 2025, a cycle, 3 cycle may be completed in the market, three months of completion. So it can, and there after reaching this low, around this low, probably market may find its support, higher low if it makes. It should not breach this. Definitely, it is not going to breach it because it is a bullish move. Suppose if I take the anchored volume profile, so it clearly it is coming to this area 23,253. You can see the level. The anchored VWAP is placed around 23,253. Here in the month of March 2025, it has breached and it had made a double bottom. It may be a retest of this level 23,253. So by November, we are October to November, definitely we are in for the 23,253 in the market, that is around 1,000 points, 1,200 points fall in the market. So then only you need to see for the portfolio build-up, not now. Some stocks will correct drastically during this course of a correction, nifty rotation. Then it is a very good opportunity for you people to build portfolio for long-term investment. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.